Imagine a galaxy that looks like our own Milky Way, with a central bar of stars and spiral arms radiating from it. Now imagine that this galaxy is more than 11.7 billion years old, which means it formed when the universe was only 15% of its current age. How is that possible? How did such a galaxy form and evolve in the early universe when most galaxies were chaotic and irregular? And what does this discovery tell us about the history and diversity of the cosmos? These are some of the questions that we will try to answer in this video, as we explore the new discovery of a barred spiral galaxy in the early universe, called CEERS-2112. This galaxy was spotted by an international team of astronomers using the James Webb Space Telescope. This discovery challenges the current theories of galaxy formation and evolution. So, if you are curious to learn more about this fascinating discovery and what it means for our understanding of the universe, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. The discovery of CEERS-2112 was announced in November 2023 by a team of astronomers led by Dr. Luca Constantin, a Spanish National Research Council postdoctoral researcher at the Centro de Astrobiología in Spain. They used the James Webb to observe a patch of sky called the Cosmic Evolution Early Release Science Survey, or CEERS, which is part of a larger program to study the first stars and galaxies in the universe. Webb is designed to detect infrared light, which is emitted by objects that are very cold, very far away, or very old. However, among the thousands of galaxies that the James Webb observed in the CEERS field, one stood out from the rest. It had a redshift of 3, which means it is more than 11.7 billion years old, and it formed when the universe was only 15% of its current age. But what was even more surprising was its shape and structure. It was a barred spiral galaxy, which means it had a central bar of stars and spiral arms radiating from it. This is very rare and unexpected, because most galaxies in the early universe were chaotic and irregular, without any clear features or patterns. The galaxy was named CEERS-2112, after its position in the CEERS field. The team published their findings in the journal Nature Astronomy and described CEERS-2112 as the most distant barred spiral galaxy ever observed. They also measured some of its properties, such as its size, mass, and star formation rate. They found that this galaxy is about 30,000 light-years across, which is about 1/5 the size of the Milky Way. It has a mass of about 10 billion times the mass of the Sun, which is about 1/100th the mass of the Milky Way. And it has a star formation rate of about 20 solar masses per year, which is about 20 times higher than the Milky Way. These properties suggest that CEERS-2112 is a young and active galaxy, undergoing rapid growth and evolution. But how did it form and evolve in the first place? And how does it compare with other galaxies in the early universe? These are some of the questions that we will address in the next section. The discovery of this galaxy has profound implications for our understanding of galaxy formation and evolution, because it challenges the current theories and models that try to explain how galaxies like the Milky Way came to be. According to these theories and models, galaxies in the early universe were mostly small, irregular, and gas-rich, without any clear features or patterns. They formed from the gravitational collapse of dark matter halos, which are invisible clumps of matter that make up most of the mass in the universe. As these galaxies grew and merged with each other, they became more massive, more complex, and more diverse. Some of them developed disks of stars and gas, which rotated around their centers. And some of these disks developed bars and spiral arms, which are thought to be the result of gravitational instabilities, interactions with other galaxies, or feedback from star formation and supernova explosions. These processes are believed to take billions of years to occur, and to depend on many factors, such as the mass, size, environment, and history of the galaxy. However, this particular galaxy seems to defy these expectations, because it shows that a galaxy like the Milky Way could exist in the early universe, much earlier than previously thought. It is not only a barred spiral galaxy, but also a very well-defined and symmetric one, with a clear bar, and 2 prominent arms. It also has a high gas fraction, which means it has a lot of raw material for star formation. And it has a low metallicity, which means it has a low abundance of elements heavier than hydrogen and helium. These properties suggest that the galaxy is a very young and pristine galaxy that has not undergone many mergers or interactions with other galaxies, and that has not been affected by much feedback from star formation or supernova explosions. In other words, it seems to have formed and evolved in isolation, without any external or internal disturbances. But how is that possible? How did this galaxy form and evolve so quickly and smoothly, without any complications or delays? And how common are galaxies like this one in the early universe? These are some of the open questions and future directions that this discovery raises, and that we will discuss in the next section. The discovery of CEERS-2112 is not only a remarkable achievement for the astronomers who made it, but also a valuable contribution to our knowledge and appreciation of the history and diversity of the universe. By finding a galaxy like this galaxy in the early universe, we are learning more about the origins and evolution of galaxies, like our own Milky Way, and how they relate to other galaxies in different times and places. We are also discovering new and unexpected phenomena and processes that shape and transform the cosmos, and that challenge and enrich our theories and models. And we are witnessing the power and potential of the James Webb Space Telescope, which has a lifetime of at least 10 years, during which it is expected to make many groundbreaking discoveries and observations. One of these discoveries and observations is the CEERS field, which is one of the 13 early release science programs that the Webb is conducting in its first year of operation. These programs are designed to demonstrate the capabilities and performance of the James Webb. The CEERS field is a patch of sky that covers about 100 square arc minutes, which is about 1/3 the size of the full moon. It is located in the constellation of Eridanus, and it contains thousands of galaxies that span a wide range of redshifts, ages, and types. It is observed by all 4 instruments of the JWST, and it is expected to reveal new insights into the cosmic evolution and diversity of the early universe. One of the galaxies in the CEERS field is the one we covered today. It is not only a scientific discovery, but also an artistic and aesthetic one, because it shows us the beauty and complexity of the universe, and how it can surprise and inspire us with its wonders and mysteries. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new and interesting. If you did, please give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we will try to answer them. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.